Good morning on this very blustery day. I'm going to pick up my shipping from my storage unit, just a few orders from yesterday, and I'll share some of the things that have sold for me. Today's my day to get stuff done. And then because it's so snowy, that actually usually means it's going to be a really good day at the bins. So I think we should go there today, see what's up. So I actually have a bunch of stuff in my car that I photographed yesterday and sent off to my VA, all those photographs, because he's going to draft them all. And then what I do is I just go through and like approve them and make sure like keywords are good, all that good stuff. I just put it all in a bin, take pictures of that bin, and then I put it in my storage unit. So that's kind of how I'm going to go about things today. Okay, so I've got these Lila Ryan pants that sold for 30 bucks plus shipping, a little buckle belt that sold for 20 bucks plus shipping, a Nike men's 4XL shirt, just sold for 12 bucks. Nothing too exciting, but this cool women's XL funnel neck sold for 32. So I'm happy with that. Again, just a slower day yesterday, but we will just pack and ship what we got. So eBay is just honestly really slow right now for me. So what I've been doing, I just haven't been as consistent with listing as I need to be. I don't know, I was in like a funk with everything for a while. I didn't know how to juggle everything very well. And so eBay just, I just did the bare minimum with eBay for like a while there. Like the basics that keep my store running, I just haven't been doing as well, but I am doing it now. So that's kind of the story there. I'm really gonna focus on getting my eBay store to be like an efficient little machine. It still is doing great. I still average about $5,000 in sales a month, but I am looking to kind of make things a little more efficient, if that makes sense. Shout out to Kirkland protein bars for being my breakfast so often on these very busy mornings, but my goal is once we're done thrifting and finding cool stuff, I want to get a really good lunch. So that's what I'm hoping we could do. While I do shipping and while I ship all this stuff, I wanted to share some of the things that have sold for me recently, because I think some of you guys have said like you missed that when I share like what has sold for me. I had an Escander. If you've never heard of Escander, it's like a very, very high-end, very strange looking brand of like boxy, large, kind of Scandinavian prints. This is why I shouldn't talk while I do shipping, because this is not the right package. Pull that off. That goes here. I had a pair of I Am Gia kind of flared buckle pants. Those sold for 35 plus shipping. I had a pair of Moosey vintage jeans sell for $90. They were brand new with tags. The issue was it took like a year for them to sell, and I had them priced way higher. So I kind of lowered the price I had on them and then took an offer of $90, and I was happy with that. I'm like, this just, after a certain point, you just want to get things moving. I had a pair of Nike men's Streak Light sneakers sell for $63, and it's an international shipping order. I love international shipping because I don't have to like worry about returns. I don't have to worry about like any buyer negative feedback, defects. eBay takes care of all of that. Right now they're like way pushing international shipping use, and so they cover everything. A Helly Hansen ski suit sold for $104, and this vintage, colorful ski suits that are color blocked, whatever, will sell fantastically well. So very happy about that. I sold a Kakadu Byron bag. So Kakadu is a brand I saw on the Buy It for Life Reddit subreddit, mentioned because of its durability, its long-lasting wear, its craftsmanship, it's made really well. So yeah, I mean, I picked it up a while ago, but it sold for $63. And I'm thrilled with that. I'm all done. Let's head to the bins. I'm a little nervous. Are the roads gonna be crazy? I don't know, but I'm excited because usually if the roads are crazy, the bins is slow, and I find really cool stuff. Before we head over to the bins, I wanted to shout out the sponsor of today's video, Harry's. So I just ordered the Shaven Suds bundle for TJ and myself because I love using Harry's razors. They work fantastically well, and they're really nice, really affordable, but you don't sacrifice quality when you buy Harry's. So with the Shaven Suds bundle, you get the Truman razor with 8 replacement blades. You get the exfoliating face wash, which smells like eucalyptus and mint. It smells amazing and it works really well. And then the body wash, which also smells amazing. And now you get this all at 18% off, so $27 for this entire bundle, which is such a good deal considering the high value that these products have. This Shaven Suds bundle is exclusively on Harry's website for $27, but you can go to Target, Costco, Walmart. All of your favorite retail stores have the Harry's products individually if you want to buy them there. Make sure you check out the Harry's Shaven Suds bundle in the link in my description. Thanks to Harry's for sponsoring this portion of the video, and now let's get back into it. Okay, I haven't been to the bins in like months, so I don't know if my back can handle it. and I'm hoping I find stuff soon because I can't spend all day here. Okay, so look at this thing from 1987. I see a comp on Poshmark for like $50. That's insane. So what's funny is I totally would have grabbed these, but these are trashed and they're not really going for what they used to go for. It's a bummer. And also, where is it? This thing. This is a laser hair removal, but it's, you know, we can't trust that it works.
And if you're not familiar with the bins, I'm just waiting here for the rotation. They tell everyone when it's time to go, and it's kind of a frenzy, but this is when you can find like the absolute best stuff.
This is really cool. I mean, I know he's a very good designer, so we will definitely grab this.
I do like Pilcro jeans. They tend to sell really well, and even though these are like skinnies, they have this cool like hem detail. So I mean, I'm at the bins, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and hoping it sells for like 20-25 bucks.
I mean, I don't know how good American leggings do, but I think it should be decent, right? Like the new tag, I think, and it's in excellent condition.
A North Face half dome hoodie. I'll always pick this up if it's in good condition, especially at the bins. It's just a very quick mover. Even though this is so ratty, I'm like, I can't not pick it up because I know it's like a high-end like streetwear brand, and I've seen like Justin Bieber wear it, I think. But this is where I had the shock of my life, a Patagonia Better sweater. I've never found this at the bins. It's such a high-end sweater, so expensive. Hello, future Ashley. I'm just compiling footage, and I thought the camera was on. Like, this was like probably my most exciting find of the day. I thought the camera was on. It clearly wasn't, so you can see like just like a hint of what I actually found, but stay tuned and I'll tell you more about it later in the video. And I'm sorry, professional YouTuber strikes again. So I actually found back-to-back merch from like other YouTubers. This is like, I think David Dobrik. I actually checked on eBay comps and the sell-through is terrible and they don't sell for much, which is kind of no surprise. And then I found his sister's hoodie merch, which I believe is James Charles. So it's just always funny to find these at the bins. Again, this one was not worth picking up. The resale value wasn't good.
I just think this is really cute. It's like a maxi.
If you ever see anything of Scotland, it usually means it's made of wool and it's very expensive. So I absolutely grabbed that. And then I was so pleased to find Carhartt before the Bins Bros did. And of course, I'm going to pick up Carhartt reinforced knee pants. This actually, after doing research later, it's a men's button down and it sells for like 40 bucks pre-owned. So super happy to find that. So these made me look twice because they were made really well and I'd never really heard of this brand, or maybe I did and I just forgot about it. But the brand is Killick. I think they're like a work pant and they sell for 15-20 bucks. So I went ahead and I grabbed it. I mean, who knows? But I do know these ballistic like motorcycle pants, full zip on the sides. These have always sold well for me. I mean, yeah, it's heavier, but it should sell for like 50 bucks pretty easily. And this is a Nike like tennis dress from a very recent season.
I feel like this is recent. Let's see. Yeah. This is really cute. Okay. I have grabbed this brand before, and it's very expensive. Just checking. I think this is good. Okay, I haven't seen this brand yet, but I'm gonna guess it's Lily Pulitzer. I could be wrong. Maybe not. Darn it. never mind. It tricked me. Okay, I think this Adriana Papel dress is actually really pretty. I hate selling like evening wear, so I'm gonna reluctantly leave it behind, but I do think it's so pretty. And that's the thing, there's like so much stuff that like if it was just me and I thought like, oh, I like this style, I would pick it up, but I have to consider like how long will it take to sell? Is it worth it? I don't know. It's always so difficult. Okay, you want to pay attention to Made in Japan because this is a really pretty scarf and the comps look really good. So I think that's a really cool find. Okay guys, I mean, we have some pilling. These are some Align high rise. And I think I can get that pilling off. I know, but I still think there's life in these, so I'm gonna challenge myself. So I would be excited about this. I just literally like I cannot move Tommy Bahama. So sadly I have to leave it behind. It's a bummer because it feels nice, but I gotta move what sells. Now J. Jill's like I've sold it before, but it's hard to pass it up.
No, you can, yeah,
when it's brand new. I just, yeah, I have to grab them. Okay, so Denim and Supply really is a quick flip for me. So even though this is a very basic tee, it's a good size, and I just like selling this brand. So I'm gonna grab it. I think that was super successful. Oh my gosh. But now I need to get home because I have still so much to do.
So it's 45.37. Thank you.
Well, I would say that was a major success. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with what we found. Let's talk about what we found, you guys. This Pendleton belted sweater, I see a listing on eBay for like $85. This was so exciting to find because I love Pendleton, specifically their like patchwork woven wool, like these kind of like patterned color block with the designs sell amazingly well. So very excited about that. What is this? Harley of Scotland. When I saw of Scotland, I was like, okay, this has to be something. And it's like this wool and suede, fully lined, full zip, and these sell for like 100 or more, which is crazy. So I got this Lulu skirt. You guys know I said there, I really like maxi skirts. I think they sell really well because they're more universal. So I'm hoping like 20 bucks, 15 or 20 there. These pants were really cool. These like motorcycles pants. These are Joe Rocket ballistic pants, and they have like zip sides, and comps were crazy for these, 50 to 100. I mean, it depends. The rest I'm going to kind of look up. There's a lot that I'm not sure of. Like, what in the world? I found these Lulu just off to the side. I mean, they're like culottes, but these like Lulu pants, they have this like zip tie on them. I mean, they're not in perfect condition, but I will always pick up Lulu at the bins, 100%. This Lily Pulitzer, I don't know if I filmed this because it was so crazy, but this Lily Pulitzer XL full zip, I like their floral patterns. I don't know if this will sell great, but we grabbed it anyway. Carhartt, I think that some of the bins bros were a little upset that I found this first. But I love Carhartt pants. I mean, who doesn't? Sells fantastic. I thought the pattern on this Urban Outfitters like little button down was so pretty and so cool. Very unique. Urban Outfitters is where like Free People is sold and a bunch of other boho brands. I think it'll sell for like 40, but we'll look for specific comps. Oops, did not mean to buy that. Let's get lunch and let's go home and sort out the rest of my day.
Ashley? Yeah.
We had a great SUV and there were 3 in a row.
Yes, thank you so much.
Your condiments and straws in the bag.
Perfect, thank you.
You're good to go on. Thank you.
Okay, so you're gonna get a peek at some of the behind the scenes things I'm doing because I just got home. I put my salad in the fridge. I'm gonna wait to eat it until I finish up some of these like last odds and ends. So I have to finish a video that editor Riff got all ready for me that I just need to do voiceover for. And then I have to do, because I'm gonna try to post it today in the next hour. So yeah, here is the content, right? So here it is in Final Cut, and this is just where, right here where I see there's no audio, I need to do my little voiceover, and then pick a thumbnail. It's always tricky. I never know what to do for the thumbnail. I usually like decide last minute, and it's so funny because some thumbnails do awesome and then some thumbnails like don't. Like it's funny because the ones I work the hardest on like flop, and then the ones that I barely think about do well. So right away in this thrift store, there's like a little rack where they had nicer stuff. This was priced at $10, but it was a Free People, almost brand new, pink scoop neck, thermal. I love these kinds of Free People tops, so I grabbed it. All right, so I am going to photograph now. I have cleaned and steamed everything because, yuck, it's from the bins. Lather, rinse, repeat, over and over, and that's just how a business slowly but steadily is made, I guess. Even a business as fledgling as my own.
A few moments later.
Very well earned. Okay, I feel like a Kardashian doing this. But if you guys like this video, I hope you did. I mean, it's a more casual vibe. I took you behind the scenes. I don't know if it was like super boring or if it was okay, if it was fun. If you liked it, it just would help me so much if you let me know in the comments or give it a thumbs up, because then I know that I can make more frequent content for you guys, because if it's more casual like this, I can definitely put out more content. So you guys just let me know. I'm gonna enjoy this little salad, and I'm so glad that you joined me. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.